Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be creating a quick gift basket, and I'm going to be using this tray concept, guys. So the items I'm going to be using is going to be this beautiful throw blanket here, and I'm going to put in this cherry blossom candle. I put a little ribbon on that. Okay, this Groovy Watermelon Bath and Body Works body cream and fine fragrance mist. I put a little bow on the mist, and this beautiful silk flower. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I decided to use my gold tablecloth, guys. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I do use the plastic tablecloths from Dollar Tree. I use those in my bases. So I'm going to use this gold one in the base of this gift. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to put in is my throw blanket. This is a real simple, really quick gift. Okay, so I'm going to sit that there. And I want to put the Bath and Body Works set together on this side, and I'm going to put the candle over here, and I just think this gold is just going to jazz it up a little bit, because you know it's just such a muted color the tray is. So I want to jazz it up a little bit, and I'm going to put the flower right in the middle. Now, I think I want to put in this little notebook. It said, every thought creates your future. So this is kind of like a self-care basket. There's some nice things you can use, take care of your body, and put this in. This is for your mind. You can write down your thoughts in here. So I'll put that right here. And I will put the pen up at the top. I'll tape it so it doesn't come away from the notebook. All right, guys, so this is something just really simple. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of tuck in the excess, just tuck it inside the gift, tuck it inside the tray, and then I'm going to finish it with some gold shred I have here. You guys know I'm always complaining about this gold shred. They have the pieces so long. All right, let's see how I can weave this in and around. Okay, let's get some of this shred off of here. Okay, guys, so this is what it's going to look like with the shred. I'm going to cut some of these ends. Make it look a little bit neater. Get this back in here. Okay, guys, so this is our finished product. And I think it turned out beautiful. All right. We have our beautiful throw in the back. We have our journal with a pen. We have our Bath and Body Works set, the body cream fine fragrance mist. We have our beautiful cherry blossom candle. And we have our beautiful silk flower. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this gift assembly. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.